Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check your Google Play purchase history. So in here, what you need to do first is of course open the Google Play Store apps on your phone. So click on the Play Store here and go to your profile by clicking on your photo at the top right corner. And here click on the payment and subscriptions option, this one. And in here you can see there is a budget and history option. Click on that. Okay, so it will load and it will show you your purchase history. Okay, so here are the list of my purchase history. As you guys can see here, it will show in here, and also the price beside the name of the apps. So guys, that's a simple tutorial from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.